that the period will be 2 pi divided by 4, which is pi on 2, and that the median is 2. Therefore, my maximum will be 2 plus 4 or 6, and my minimum will be 2 minus 4 or negative 2. And if I'm looking for x-intercepts, 0 equals 4 sine of 4x plus 2, move the 2 over, negative 2 on 4, which is negative a half equals the sine of 4x. All stations to Cambodia, sine will be negative in the third and the fourth, therefore 7 pi on 6 and 11 pi on 6, which means that 4x equals 7 pi on 6, 11 pi on 6, or x equals 7 pi on 24, and 11 pi on 24. Now, if those are the only two within one cycle, then that's fine. Otherwise, I can manipulate that and find them. Okay, so if I'm looking at a graph, here is negative 2, there is 2, there is 4, there is 6. I'm just going to put in some guiding lines for the median, the minimum, and the maximum. And we know that we're drawing it up to pi on 2 because we're drawing one cycle and the period is pi on 2. So half of that will be pi on 4, half of that will be pi on 8, 1 pi on 8, 2 pi on 8, that's going to be 3 pi on 8. It's a sine curve, so it's going to start at the median at 2 and finish at the median at 2, and dead middle it will be at 2. It's a positive sign, so it's going to go up to 6 and down to negative 2, and I'm going to get a sine curve that is going to look like this. My endpoint will be pi on 2 and 2. My x-intercepts will be, and 11 pi on 24 is 1 pi on 24 short of half, which makes sense. So that's 11 pi on 24, and that is 7 pi on 24. And there is my graph of the sine of 4, sine of 4x plus 2. Endpoint labelled because it's sitting in space, x-intercepts labelled, y-intercept labelled.